Here's a 2019 Audi A8 L. It's designed for those who prefer their art on four wheels. It comes nicely equipped with features you'll love. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, multi-zone climate control, refrigerated box located in the glove box, hands-free liftgate, intercooled turbo V6 engine, automatic with driver control suspension management, Bluetooth streaming audio, front heated leather bucket seats, height adjustable automatic with driver control suspension, auto dimming rear view mirror, and automatic transmission. Motor Trend points out the updates enhance what's already one of the most impressive luxury sedans on the market. Audi forges sophistication and performance into each iconic vehicle. Driving is believing. Test drive it today.
At Audi Marietta, we prove every day that buying a car can be an enjoyable experience. We're conveniently located on Rottenwood Drive in Marietta, Georgia.